Exercise 2.
Listen to these common abbreviations below. Do you know what each one stands for? 1. BBC 2. SOS 3. WHO 4. TUC 5. ECM 6. SDP 7. ECE 8. EEC 9. IBA 10. LEA.
Exercise 3. Names of places. Listen to the following places and write them down. Do you know where these places are in Britain?
1. Edinburgh EDINBURGH Edinburgh.
2. Glasgow GLASGOW Glasgow.
3. Aberdeen ABERDEEN Aberdeen.
4. Dundee DUNDEE Dundee.
5. Cardiff CARDIFF Cardiff.
6. Swansea SWANSEA Swansea.
7. Newport NEWPORT Newport.
8. Belfast BELFAST Belfast.
9. Manchester MANCHESTER Manchester.
10. Leeds LEEDS Leeds.
11. Sheffield SHEFFIELD Sheffield.
12. Leicester LEICESTER Leicester.
13. Liverpool LIVERPOOL Liverpool.
14. Birmingham BIRMINGHAM Birmingham.
15. Nottingham NOTTINGHAM Nottingham.
16. Coventry COVENTRY Coventry.
17. Bristol BRISTOL Bristol.
18. Bradford BRADFORD Bradford.
19. London LONDON London.
20. Brighton BRIGHTON Brighton. Part 2. Getting to know each other. Exercise 1. What is his name? Listen to the conversations and answer the questions. 1. Hi, Linda. I'm Joseph Miller. Everyone calls me Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe. And what's your last name again?
It's Miller. It is spelled MILLER.
Thanks.
2.
Hello, my name is Maria Tanaka, and I'm from the United States.
Sorry, what's your name again?
Okay, my first name is Maria. It's spelt MARIA. And my last name is spelt TANAKA.
Thank you, Maria.
3. Joe, this is my friend Sarah Green from France.
Excuse me, what is her name?
Sarah, SARAH, and her last name is spelled Green, Green.
Thank you. And Sarah, you are welcome to the class.
4. OK, Miss Smith. Let me just check this information. Is your first name spelled E-L-L-E-N?
No, it's not. My first name is Eleanor.
Could you spell your first name for me?
It's spelled E-L-E-N-A.
OK, thank you, Eleanor.
5. Hi, Steve. How's everything?
Not bad. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks. What's that in your hand?
A picture from my computer.
Can I have a look?
Sure. Here you are.
Who is the man in the middle?
He is my friend, Paulo.
Is he from Mexico?
No, he's from Brazil.
Sorry, where is he from?
He comes from Brazil. B-R-A-Z-I-L, Brazil.
I see, so he is Brazilian. He looks Mexican.
Please listen and write down the people's names next to the place where they come from.
1. My name is Kevin Smith, K-E-V-I-N, and I come from Edinburgh. Edinburgh is a very beautiful city. You're welcome to my city.
2. My name is Sue Jenkins, S-U-E, Sue. I come from Newcastle.
3. I'm Peter White, P-E-T-E-R, Peter, and I'm from Liverpool. Liverpool is one of Britain's major ports and has an important shipbuilding industry.
4. I'm Sally Green, S-A-L-L-Y, Sally, from Glasgow.
5. My name is Richard Lee, R-I-C-H-A-R-D, Richard, and I'm from Cardiff.
6. I'm Mary Snow, M-A-R-Y, Mary, and I teach in London.
7. Hi, I'm Steve Hansen, S-T-E-V-E, Steve. I come from Manchester University. Manchester is one of the large industrial centres as well.
8. Hello, I'm James Smith, J-A-M-E-S, James, from Belfast. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. It's a beautiful city and is well known for its shipbuilding.
9. Hi, this is my friend Linda from Nottingham. She studies at Nottingham University.
10. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Chris from Cambridge University.
Now listen to the additional information.
1. Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland, and it's the centre of government and commercial life. The famous castle and international festival attract thousands of visitors.
2. Glasgow, Aberdeen, and Dundee are the chief cities in Scotland.
3. Aberdeen is Scotland's chief fishing port.
4. Cardiff, Swansea, and Newport are the chief urban centres in Wales.
5. Belfast is the centre of Northern Ireland.
Exercise 3. What is your subject? Listen to the conversation and complete the information about each person. Example:
My name is Charles Chang from Leeds. I'm studying music here.
1. I'm Elizabeth Sheen from Finland. You can call me Liz. It is spelled L-I-Z. Easy to remember. I'm studying computer science.
2. Hi, I'm Chris, C-H-R-I-S, from the United States. I'm studying engineering.
3. My name is Paulo White, and I come from Japan, and I'm studying English.
Exercise 4. Introducing yourself. Listen to some self-introductions and complete the information about each person.
1. Hello, I'm Erica from Leeds. I'm a freshman in college. I like sports and I go swimming after school. I go about once or twice a week.
2. Hi, my name is Marty Cheen from York. I'm a salesman in a big department store. I like music and I often go to concerts at weekends.
3. I'm Tim Russell from Edinburgh. I'm a college student. College is very expensive, so I have to do a part-time job in a restaurant at weekends. I plan to visit Europe this summer, so I have to save almost every penny for this trip as well.
4. My name is Linda from London. I'm in high school at present. I have a part-time job in a fast food restaurant. It's hamburger heaven. I want to go to a good university, so I have to save all my money for college. I work 3 hours on Saturdays and Sundays.
5. Hello, I'm Rita from Bristol. I'm a receptionist at the BBC. My job is to answer the phone. I like to talk to people. I like to go shopping with my friends after work, too.
6. My name is Chris from Leeds. I'm a bank manager in the Midland Bank. I like rock music very much. I have twin girls, and they love rock music too.
7. I'm Sue from Manchester. I'm an EFL teacher. I teach in the London International School. I often take my students to see films. After school, I like going to dramas very much. My favourite is Hamlet.
8. Hi, I'm Richard Lee from Birmingham. I'm a doctor and work in the General Hospital. I love sports. My favourite sport is swimming. I swim twice a week. I also like to play football.
Exercise 5. Are you from Australia? Listen to the conversation carefully. Fill in the table below as you listen.
Hi, my name is Rich from the United States. Are you from Australia?
No, I'm from New Zealand.
And what are you studying?
I'm studying chemistry. And what are you studying here?
I'm studying social science.
Exercise 6. What's your last name? Listen to the conversations and complete the information about each person.
1. Linda, this is Marty. He is from Canada.
Nice to meet you. I'm Linda Mandel. I come from Brazil.
Oh, hello. And what's your last name again?
Mandel. M-A-N-D-E-L.
What do you study here, Linda?
I study business.
2. Hi, I'm Joseph Block from Finland. Please call me Joe.
Hello, Joe. What's your last name again?
It's Block. B-L-O-C-K.
What are you studying now?
Engineering.
Oh, engineering. That sounds interesting.
3. OK, Ms. McLean. Let me just check this information. Is your first name spelt E-L-L-E-N?
No, my first name is Elena. It's spelled E-L-E-N-A.
OK, thanks. And you are from Brazil, correct?
No, I'm not from Brazil. I'm from Mexico.
Oh, sorry. Mexico. But you are studying English, right?
Yes, that's right.
Listen to the tape and write down the people's names next to the country where they come from.
1. All right, Ms. He. Let me just check this information. Is your first name spelled S-U-E?
No, it's not. It's spelled S-U, no E at the end. It's not an English name.
Thank you. And you are from Korea, correct?
No, I'm not from Korea. I come from Japan.
Ah, I see. Sue, so you are Japanese?
2. Hello, Mr. Smith. What's your first name?
My first name is Charlie. It's spelled Charlie.
Charlie. Okay, Charlie. Do you come from Brazil?
No, I don't. I come from Mexico.
So you are Mexican?
Yes, that's right.
3. Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to reserve computer time.
Certainly. What's your surname, please?
McLean.
Could you spell that for me?
Yes, it's Maclain.
Thank you. What's your first name?
Shirley. That's spelled Shirley.
Thanks. Where are you from, Ms. McLean?
Germany.
I see. So your mother tongue is German, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
When do you want to use the computer?
Next Monday morning from 9 to 11.
Okay, that will be fine.
4. Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to enroll for the course.
Certainly. What's your last name?
Beatty.
Could you spell that for me?
Yes, it's Beatty.
Thanks, Mr. Beatty. And what's your first name?
Emilio. That's spelled Emilio.
Thank you. Where are you from, Mr. Beatty?
Italy.
I see. So you are Italian?
Yes, that's right.
5. Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to join the tennis club.
Certainly. What's your last name?
White.
Could you spell that for me?
Yes, it's White.
Thanks, Mr. White. And what's your first name?
Marty. That's spelled Marti.
Thank you. Where are you from, Mr. White?
France.
I see. So you speak French.
Yes, that's right.
Exercise 8. Listen to the conversation carefully. Fill in the table below as you listen.
Steve, who are the two women over there?
Oh, their names are Shirley and Linda. Hi, Shirley. This is Anne. She's from Canada.
Hello, Shirley. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anne. Nice to meet you too. What do you study here?
I'm studying biology. And what's your subject?
It's engineering. And my name is Linda.
Hi, Linda. What are you studying here?
I'm studying arts.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Shirley and Linda are from the UK.
Oh, where are you from in the UK?
I'm from Edinburgh. And I come from Leeds.